Hello viewers, I'm Beatrice Christopher from Statistics Scribe. God's willing, in this tutorial, I'm going to explain the IBM SPSS Statistics Syntax Editor window. The IBM SPSS Statistics Syntax Editor window is a basic IBM SPSS Statistics window that uses syntax to create command lines that writes, debug, and execute IBM SPSS Statistics syntax. It uses programming language unique to IBM SPSS Statistics as an alternative to drop-down or pull-down menus. That's the graphical user interface for data manipulation and statistical analysis. Okay, and it also performs complex IBM SPSS statistics functions that are only available as syntax command. For example, when performing complex transformations in data, syntax provides a record of how the transformation and analysis were performed and allows instant reproduction of the steps at any time. So on the menu bar, we have options such as File, Edit, View, Data, Transform, Analyze, Graphs, Utilities, Run, Tools, Extensions, Window, Help. And on the title bar, we have here Syntax 1, IBM SPSS Statistics Syntax Editor. So this Syntax 1 is the syntax name, that's the file name. So let's say we want to save our syntax file as Statistics Scribe. So Statistics Scribe will replace Syntax 1 here, okay? As simple as that. And on the standard toolbar here, we have options such as Open Syntax Document, Save This Document, Print, Recall Recently Used Dialogues, Undo a User Action, Redo a User Action, Go to Data, Variables, Find, Run Selection, Continue Syntax Run, Syntax Help, Create/Edit Auto Script, Run Script, Designate Window, Customize Toolbars, Toggle Comment Selection, Auto Indent the Syntax, Toggle Breakpoint, Honor Breakpoints, Split, Active. So here this active will tell us the active data set. So the active data set here is data set 1. If you want to activate data set 2 on the assumption that you have many data sets, but here I have just one. So this is the active data set 1. Basically, there are two panels or panes in IBM SPSS Statistics Syntax Editor window. One to the left here and the other to the right here, okay? Sometimes we usually have another one here at the bottom. That's for the error codes that shows the command lines, the particular line where we have an error, okay? So the panel to the left here shows an outline of the commands in our syntax. So we can use the outline panel here to navigate within our code. We can skip to a specific part of our code by clicking on the command in the left panel here, okay? The panel to the right here is where we type in or enter our syntax, okay? So this is where we type in or enter our syntax. So we can go straight to the point now. Quickly, let's run descriptive statistics using IBM SPSS Statistics Syntax. So I have a data set here saved with the file name scores.sav dataset1, and I want to run the descriptive statistics on this variable called scores. So quickly, I'm going to go back to my IBM SPSS Statistics Syntax Editor window to type in my IBM SPSS Statistics Syntax, okay? So the first thing you need to do is you have to activate the data set. And you do that using the procedure name or execution statement dataset activate. Okay, so I'm going to type in dataset activate. As you can see it's here, I can just click on it and you give a space, then you write in the dataset 1. This is the dataset I want to activate, dataset 1. So you end a statement with a period, okay, in IBM's SPSS Statistics Syntax, okay. Then the next thing you hit on the enter key. So this will create a new uncommented line, as you can see. So then you type in the IBM SPSS Statistics function you want to execute. So in this case, the function I want to execute, is called descriptives. Okay, it's called descriptives. So you can see, then you give a space. The next thing is the name of the variable you want to perform descriptive statistics on. In my case, the name of the variable is called scores. So I'm going to write in variables equal to, then the name of the variable is called scores. So here I can hit on enter to create another uncommented line because I'm not done. I want to specify the descriptive statistics I want to perform. So you do that by using the /, then you type in statistics. As you can see, you can click on it, statistics, then equal sign. Then what are those statistics that you want? Let's say I want to see the mean or analyze the mean. I need the mean, I need the standard deviation, then maybe I need the minimum value and the maximum value, and so on and so forth. So when you're done with all what you need, you end the statement with a period. Okay, so that's all for this. Then all you need to do now is to select the commands you want to execute or the syntax you want to execute. Then you run the selection. You either click on run selection from the standard toolbar, or if you're using Mac, you can use the shortcut called Command plus R. If you're using PC, you can use the shortcut Control plus R. Okay, so for the sake of this tutorials, I'm going to use the run selection button on the standard toolbar. I'm going to click on it. As you can see, this is the output, and the output is displayed in the IBM SPSS Statistics viewer window. So it's as simple as that. As you can see, the outline pane. It will also interest you to know that by default, IBM SPSS Statistics uses color and bolding to indicate the roles of the words in the syntax. Okay, so for example, it uses dark blue or purple colors for procedure names and execution statements. As you can see here, dataset activate, and our procedure name here is descriptive statistics. Okay, so then green color for statements associated with the given procedures. For example, here you see statistics. This is the statement associated with this given procedure called descriptives. Okay, dark red or orange color for option keywords, the gray color for comments. Mind you, the comment is just a line of text in a program that is not read by the computer as command. Okay, so just know that we use the comments just for reminders for some procedures that we've done, or probably you want to share your file with someone, or you're working on a project with someone. So the comment helps and reminds on how to do some things. Okay, and the comment is not part of the commands. Okay, so and we also have the black color, which is used for variable names and other text. So as you can see, the variable names here score, so any other text also is going to be written in black color. So I hope you like this video. Kindly like, share, subscribe, and hit on the notification bell for more updates. Peace out.